All right. After running out of more free space, I had to switch a couple things around and finally got some more room. So this is the driver's side hole in the pan, and I don't know if that's dried coolant in the holes, but we're gonna take a look at the other side, which has a nice hole in it as well. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have to take a hammer and I'm gonna beat that damaged area in. Actually, you know what? It's one bolt. I'll freaking take a wrench to it. I think I got a wrench that will fit that around here somewhere. 7/16. Yeah. Try not to get dirty. It is impossible. Now this bolt is actually scraping feels like it's scraping the pan coming out because of the fact that this is bulged out before it exploded. It's so tight up against that pan I can't even get the this ratcheting end on it. There it is. It is off. It is down here on the ground. 7/16 has done. Where is my bar? I'm actually gonna come over here. A glove real quick. Put a glove on because I know the bars. I'm getting ready to grill some burgers. It's nice like this. It's almost as nice as yesterday. Sun's going down right now. So we're gonna pop this baby loose. This pan. Oh, there it goes. Right there. All right, the big reveal. Woo. All right, so there's the gear-driven oil pump. Oh man, look at that carnage! Hole. There's the hole. There's where the dipstick goes in the pan. There's the other hole on the driver's side. And there is part of one of the... oh, man. It would have been so interesting to hear it when it blew up. That is one of the wrist pins. That thing is big, too. I'm almost wondering... maybe a turbo block. I haven't looked. Whoo! There's one of their. There's the rod right there, dude. That is gnarly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to figure out a way to get this thing off. Then I'm gonna get the timing. I'm gonna call it timing cover because really what it's covering up is the timing. The gears that are in the block, because this is gear driven. So this is the gear driven oil pump, this is the crank, and then up there's the cam, and then it sits on top of the motor is the gear housing for the injection pump, the diesel injection pump. So yeah, that thing, man, that is gnarly. See, what makes me wonder, the way that rod looks, It almost looks like to me it looks like a turbo rod, but maybe I'm mistaken. That is gnarly. I'm gonna hang that up on the wall because that just shows you what can go wrong with one of these motors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually I'll pull the plugs on it for the coolant. I'll probably end up pulling the block heater. I'm actually gonna pull all these because I want to see how to get those out even. I think you got to drill them out actually and then pop them back this way. And then I'm going to do if this block is savable. That's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to pull this thing apart and actually see if this block is savable. If it's savable, then I'll use it as a core for a future build. But I do have a rebuilt motor sitting right there. Everything's kind of scattered around in bags and boxes except those heads. Those heads I'm actually going to go through the heads because I want to see what they look like inside, see how the stems look. I don't know how long it was sitting. I don't know how many miles are even on it. I know it was low mileage because it was used for a construction company for their form trailer, so all their form boards for foundations and stuff. Sorry, I'm shaking here. I'm just trying to get this glove off. I'm gonna go check on my burgers. So this is I don't even know what part it is now, but tonight I will flip this thing onto its top. And when I say top, I'm going to flip it onto this side right here, this surface right here, and I'm going to tear the bottom end apart and just keep trying to keep uploading videos because literally that's like it takes me 2 hours to upload a video, it seems like, and hopefully I can just line a bunch up, get them all, you know, lined up, and it's going to be like part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, and they're going to be all over the place. They're going to be short videos and long videos because of the fact that it's so hard to get them all as one big video, which is what I wanted to do, but I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do that in the end. But there is the carnage.